He says, you know what, that still impacts this market in a negative way. So let's bring in Simpler Trading, their VP of Options, Danielle Shay. And Danielle, how do you wait this out? Like, do you wait it out looking at a calendar? Do you wait it out looking at any particular points on the chart? You know, this volatility.
So Charles, what I like to do is I like to trade on a short-term basis, especially volatility to the downside, but then I like to continue buying long-term stocks for long-term holds. So right now on a short-term basis, I've been shorting the QQQs in the options market, but I still want to pick up some stocks.
All right, let's talk about a couple things that you're spying hard. And one of the reasons, the 200-day moving average, the 200-day simple moving average. Nvidia, I mean, this looks like a perfect setup right here.
Yes, Charles, it's great. I love buying stocks at the 200 simple moving average, and with Nvidia in particular, you have a situation where it has earnings coming up, and historically Nvidia will rally around 10% in the 21 days before earnings.
Would you, let's say you buy here and it bounces, if it broke out, let's say even north of 190, you let that trade go on? I mean, do you start to say, hey, maybe now the next stop is a double top on something like this?
So as far as the trade is concerned, I would absolutely trade it up to about 185 because that's where the resistance is. But for a long-term stock pick, I actually have a higher price target up at about 225.
Really? So you're up here on this.
That's right. The weekly chart on Nvidia looks great, and it looks like it's ready to break out.
Broadcom, same thing. It's bounced off that 200-day simple moving average. It's had a beautiful chart. Hey, listen, it pulls back periodically, but it feels like they're so well positioned as a company, as a business.
They are, and this is one of my favorite stocks to trade, and I love the way that it's breaking out today. So I went ahead and entered a short-term position on this one, targeting the resistance zone up at about 350.
Right here?
Yeah, right there. And then if it ends up breaking out from that zone, that's the point where I would target 400 up at the previous high.
Yeah, so you retest an all-time high. It makes perfect sense, you know, from that point of view. You bought some IREN recently. Now, this is a stock that's been a fan favorite. We've talked about it on the show for a couple years now. This move here, though, has a lot of people doubting it. Why did you buy?
So this move here has been really volatile, but you have to keep in mind that this is one of the more volatile names, not as consistent with earnings, right? It's not going to be the same as Broadcom and Nvidia. So for this one, I'm looking at it more on a weekly chart on a longer term basis because it has a beautiful weekly chart pattern. It has a squeeze, it has a cup and handle, and I'm actually targeting up into 90 and 100. So that,
wow.
So that
Are
would
you serious? So
yes.
I mean, you're talking about now, you're saying off the chart. When you say off the charts, you think this? Listen, I happen to think that this is an amazing area, right? And you know, some are questioning maybe the float has gotten a lot bigger. Are insiders selling? There's some question marks about it, but the story itself, the value proposition is absolutely amazing.
That's correct. And when you're looking at stocks like this, you have to keep in mind that 5-10 years from now, we're going to forget about this kind of volatility, and we're just looking at the long-term picture. So that's what I'm doing with it.
Take a look at your watch list, potential buys. Amazon, Roblox. Roblox, it was a monster, pulled back. It was a monster again, it's pulled back. It's had some controversy. What would it take for you to pull the trigger?
So with Roblox, I'm actually looking to short it. They've had yes. So for me, Roblox is a short. Yes, it's up today after earnings, but look at that terrible downtrend, Charles. It's really just rallying directly into resistance. So that one for me is a short, while Amazon is actually a long. I've continued to buy long-term shares of Amazon, and it held the $200 price point really well.
Speaking of shorts, and because we're in this environment, you're taking advantage of it. You've got a long short list. You've got DELL, Salesforce. Salesforce is intriguing. Obviously, we're talking about the death of software. This is the proxy for software. But by the same token, they've got Mark Benioff, a very popular CEO. So what would it, I mean, how much more downside do you think they could have?
Well, you know, the thing about it is, Charles, is that every earnings report that they've had, they continue to go lower. And so what I do with these when I trade them on the short side before earnings, I trade them to new lows. Currently right now, Salesforce is at a new low, but I would like to enter a short on a rally. For example, DELL, it was up 4% today. So that's one that I did go ahead and take a short position in before earnings.
Okay. Target and Duolingo, which went from 500 to 100, but you say there's still a lot of room between 100 and 0.
That's correct.
Danielle, thank you very much. Appreciate it. All right, folks, an amazing day.